100% wire-free, free of power cords and wiring hassles. 1080p HD high-quality video with sharper and brighter details. Activity zones. Highlight areas in your camera's view where you want to receive motion alerts, available when plugged in and used indoors. Camera range is up to 300 feet line of sight. Wireless coverage is suitable for a typical 2,500 square foot residence. Optional 24/7 continuous video recording. Upgrade to keep non-stop recordings in the cloud. 3-second look back. Capture activity 3 seconds before a triggered event, available when plugged in and used indoors. Night vision. 850 nanometers LEDs illuminates up to 25 feet, IR cutoff filter. Works with Amazon Alexa, Echo Show, Fire TV, Google Assistant. View your live video with a simple voice command. Works with IFTTT, Samsung SmartThings, and more. Arlo Secure adds powerful intelligence to your Arlo cameras. Customize alerts to detect people, specific zones, and contact emergency responders right from your smartphone's lock screen.